Thank you for taking the time to review our advanced data recovery and enhancement services. Obtaining clean, structured data lies at the core of everything we do, and we spend a considerable amount of energy perfecting our ability to accurately capture and structure web, paper, and PDF-based information. We rank information obtained based on its source. That means, in most cases, we rate the origins of the data higher than the downstream users. Therefore, if we gather product information, we give a higher confidence in data obtained from the manufacturer, as the item creator, versus the vendor or distributor. Similarly, we would rate the data obtained from a vendor or distributor higher than data obtained from a hospital. Capturing, enhancing, and structuring lost information. MEPERIA's data recovery services are specifically designed to unlock information only present on paper, such as invoice, bill only, and blanket orders, simply and effectively. Invoices are scanned to create PDF files and sent to MEPERIA. Unlike simple invoice-to-purchase matching solutions, we take information captured on invoices and other PDF-based data and convert it into a well-structured knowledge base that can be used to drive business analysis requirements. As necessary, the data is enhanced by associating catalog and other externally sourced information to create a rich content, which can then be used to populate master files such as an item master or physician preference list, or any number of related business functions. Problems addressed. Providers cannot account for 100% of supply spend. Valuable PPI spend detail is trapped on paper in accounts payable. Invoice data is highly abbreviated, descriptively underpopulated, and has no UNSPSC or HIPIC codes, making it difficult to compare items. There is no item cross-reference, as the contract has manufacturer part numbers. However, the provider is buying from the distributor. Descriptions are not attributed and cannot be manipulated to meet numerous MMIS requirements. Providers cannot link items typically used across a network or sometimes even across their hospital departments. Multiple vendors with differing descriptions and item IDs, and inconsistent, poorly maintained vendor masters negatively impacts item association and therefore the ability to compare. The process typically starts with blanket orders that are created to allow on-demand purchases, normally surrounding physician preference items, commonly known as PPI. You'll note that no line item detail is specified, only a total amount of dollars authorized for each vendor. Demand is recorded by requisitions that are often created by the vendor immediately following a procedure detailing the items used, and is usually signed off by the charge nurse or OR director. Invoice is submitted by the vendor to accounts payable for payment processing. MEPERIA extracts all the information contained on the blanket order, requisition, and invoice. However, the information contained on the invoice is often lacking in descriptive detail and related information such as UNSPSC, HIPICs, and related procedure code. We enrich product information by extracting missing attributes for external sources such as the vendor or manufacturer catalog. Often, this can require multiple searches to capture the complete information. When required, we obtain procedure code information such as ICD-9, DRG, or CPT-4 codes from CMS. MEPERIA then intelligently attributes and structures the collected data to create an integrated knowledge base. This data can be either outputted in Excel or Access, or even placed into the MEPERIA application for even more functionality. When placed inside the MEPERIA application, products are automatically presented and compared based on attribute comparison. And using the advanced functionality that MEPERIA provides, the data can now be formatted to meet the individual needs of internal information systems. Notice how by deselecting the abbreviation box, femoral becomes unabbreviated. Similarly, descriptive word order can be changed and globally applied to all similar nouns. Any word can be abbreviated or unabbreviated using user-defined abbreviation dictionaries. MEPERIA supports the exporting of any field based on user-defined requirements. So in summary, MEPERIA provides the information you need to drive the rebuilding of an item master, product or vendor standardization, price validation, contract compliance, billing validation, physician preference file maintenance, or even physician cost comparison. Thank you for your interest in our advanced data recovery and enhancement services. For more information, be sure to visit us at www.meperia.com, email info@meperia.com, or call 201-477-8327.